No one person alone is original. Originality is all about we, not me.
For me and everyone in motorsports, it is a team sport.
Microsoft Surface brought Collette and I together, and it is just a match made in heaven.
For us to make a powerful, high-action piece together was just the ultimate goal. This project has absolutely pushed me outside of my comfort zone, but in the best ways.
Collette is so expressive with her cars, and that is her tool, and she uses that as her paintbrush.
The Surface, it's literally built into the heart of my cars to take my driving to the next level.
A lot of my inspiration is from new tools, new techniques. Surface allows me to do that. Using the pen, using haptics that give you physical feedback is incredible. Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects are so important to my workflow.
Figuring out what types of effects she wanted to do, and then mixing that in with my actual driving. I think both of us having our own signature styles and being able to mix that in this collaboration was just a dream.